Good afternoon.
What we discussed in the last session? Yes, some of the people only submitted their assignments. What about remaining one? Only 4 to 7 people are only submitting, but Ash is submitting regularly. Well done, Ash. Then what about remaining guys? Hmm? Okay, no issues. If you done it, you'll get some experience. Like you will learn some more tools, some more methodologies you can learn. That's it. And you can gain some experience of reporting things and all. No issues with that one. What we discussed in the last session? Information gathering, right? Yes. Anyone have any doubts in that one? So we have discussed some tools like a whois and some reverse IP lookup, a reverse whois lookup we have discussed. Okay, yes. Do we discussed any extensions? Hello, am I audible? Yeah. So do we discussed any extensions like a vaporizer, a ghost tree? Anything we have discussed in the last session? Yes. Just let me know. Actually, I forgot that one, whether I have told it to you or not.
Sir, with all due respect, I couldn't join the last session, so I'm sorry, sir, I'm not aware of that.
Okay. So what about remaining one? So okay, no issues. We'll start. So today we will see this footprinting or information gathering using advanced Google hacking techniques. So Google hacking refers to the use of advanced Google search operators for creating complex search queries to extract some sensitive or hidden information from the internet. So the access to information is then the used by attackers to find the vulnerable targets. So footprinting using advanced Google hacking techniques involves locating specific strings of text within the search results using advanced operators in the Google search engine. So here we are just applying the filters. Just assume, so Google is the largest database. Okay, so you are searching for ethical hacking, but actually you're searching for a one PDF which is having the ethical hacking concepts and penetration testing concepts, but you're just searching for ethical hacking PDF. You're getting some paid PDFs, you are getting from wrong PDFs you are getting. At that time, if you want a particular PDF sites only, you can apply some filters. Here the filters is nothing but Google Docs. Note it down. Google Docs. So using this Google Docs, you can filter the results from the search engines. So this advanced Google hacking refers to the art of creating the complex search engine queries. So queries can retrieve the valuable data about the company from the Google search results. So you have to select your target company, then you can perform the queries to retrieve the valuable data about your target organization. Through the Google hacking, an attacker to find websites that are vulnerable to exploitation. So we can even find the vulnerable websites for exploitation also. So attackers can use the Google hacking database. So where we will get all these Google Docs? So it is too difficult to remember all the Google Docs. So that's why we have a one website is there that is called Google hacking database, also known as GHDB. So just open any tab and search for GHDB. Open the first one, that is of Google hacking database. So here you can see a list of queries will be there. So whatever the queries you want, you can use any one of the queries for applying in the internet, and then you will get some sensitive information. So a database of queries to identify the sensitive data is called GHDB. That is a Google hacking database. So using these advanced Google operators, attackers can locate the specific strings of text, such as a specific version of vulnerable servers or web servers, web applications. Okay, so when a query without advanced search operator is specified, Google traces search terms in any part of the web page, including the title, text, URL, digital files, and so on. So we have some search queries are there. So first we will start with the basic queries. So now I list out the queries, so some basic queries I list out here. So the first query is site. So this operator restricts the search results to specified site or domain. For example, if I type the games site colon www.google.com. So if I write a query like this, the query gives an information on games from the google.com. Select this. So in place of google.com, you can select your target company and you can search for the specific things so that you can only get these kind of games from the google.com, or if you want you can use any one of the web applications. Suppose if I use amazon.com here, so I'll copy this one. If I paste this one in the here, so google.com, so here you can see, so here I'm getting the Google Play Games, everywhere I'm getting Google View Play Online for free, Google for Games, Unblocked Games, Google Plus. Like this, you will get only the information about games. So like this, you can filter out the result. And one more thing, that is a all in URL. So all in URL, this operator restrict the results to only the pages containing all the query terms specified in the URL. For example, if you write all in URL Google career. So this query returns only pages containing the words Google and career in the URL. So is it clear? So we are just filtering the results by applying the filters. So in Amazon also we have some filterizations is there according to your price, according to your rating, we will filter the results. So here also same thing, we are filtering the web applications by just applying some Google Docs. Is it clear for everyone what I am saying? Or anyone have any doubts with this Google Docs? We are not completed yet. This is just two only I have mentioned here. So we have a 10 more is there. We will discuss everything and we will go to this Google hacking database. So not even a single thing we can retrieve the passwords. Hello, Dinesh. Dinesh. Hello, Dinesh. All right. And the next one is in URL. So this in URL operator restricts the results to only the pages containing the specified code in the URL. For example, in URL admin site. Suppose here I'm mentioning google.com. So what will happen? So I'll get admin login page per a google.com. So if you want, you can only get an admin login pages. If you're not mentioning this site google.com, you only get the admin login pages only. So here we will test this one. So in URL, so just copy this one in URL admin and go to any new tab and paste it here. So here you can see only you are getting the admin login pages. So it will be an easy way to find the login page for your target web application. Suppose if your target web application is a Arab Technical Institute, it's somewhat difficult to find where is that admin login page. But if you use these type of thing, you can find the admin login pages. Suppose here they are having this admin login page, and in text, if you use the in text or in title, you will get the exact site. Suppose here 80 ATIJSR, the site is ATIJSR. So here I'm using the site colon ATIJSR.com. So I only get the particular set ATIJSR. So this is my target company, or this is my target organization. I can only get this admin login page for this particular company. So like this, you can find the particular login page for your target organization. Is it clear this one in URL Google Doc?
Yes,
Does
please.
anyone have any doubts? Yes. Okay. And the next one is all in title. So this operator restricts the results to only the pages containing the all the query terms specified in the title. For example, all in title detect malware. So this query returns only pages containing the words of detect and malware in the title. So you can use this one. I'm just copying this all in title, and here we are applying. So we will get only the URLs, like only pages which is having the detect and malware, how to detect malware, how to detect malware. So like this the pages only you will get. And the next one is in title. In title, so this operator restricts the results to only the pages containing the specified term in the title. So here in the align title, whatever you have mentioned, everything you will get. So here it will return the pages, votes, detect and malware in the align title, all in title. But here in title, it will only get specified pages only. Here I'm writing here malware detection in title help. So this query returns only pages that have the term help. So wherever the pages having that help term, it will only return that pages only in the title, and the terms malware and detection anywhere within the page. Suppose in this page, so in the title should be help, and the second condition is in any paragraph in the page should have this malware detection. So then only you will get that perfect page. So if you apply this one, we'll see what type of results we will get. So here you can see malware detection help it is, and here also how AI will help to find against malware, remove malware. So anywhere, if in the title, if you have the help, you will get the page, and in the pages, it should have the malware detection. And these are the some things. And we have a related option is a related. So this operator displays the website that are similar or related to the URL you specified. Suppose if I specified related colon www microsoft.com. So it provides a Google search engine result pages with website similar to microsoft.com. So we will see that one. So here you can see, so the pages related to the microsoft.com, that is the cloud computers, Microsoft 365 download center, Microsoft cloud computers, apps and gamings, all products, business description. We are only getting the Microsoft things only. So this is a related query. And the next one is info query. Info. So this operator finds the information for the specified web page. For example, if you mention the info some website, you have to mention here I'm mentioning google.com. or linkedin.com, whatever you wish, you can mention here. It provides information about the google.com. And the next one is location. So location, this operator finds the information for a specific location. If you mention the location, Four Seasons restaurant, so it will give you the results based on the terms Four Seasons restaurant. So we'll check this one. So here you can see find a list of Four Seasons location. So it is asking the location here. Four Seasons in Hyderabad, Four Seasons everywhere you are getting the Four Seasons restaurant address only. So here you got Four Seasons multi cuisine a restaurant. So like this you can apply the Google Docs. And the last one but not least, that is a file type. So with this file type very helpful for us, because if you want any particular PDF file from an organization, or a particular confidential files, or particular any image files like Aadhaar card, PAN cards, you can use this file type or file type thing. So this operator allows you to search for a result based on a file extension. Suppose if I type so Jasmine or confidential in title, confidential, and file type is dot PDF. If I mention this one, so you will get only the confidential file which is having .pdf extension. So like this, you can gather some information about your target which is having any confidential information or confidential files as there anything else. So we uh, so here we're not getting anything. So think title confidentials. Okay, in URL we will use now. Okay, yeah. So confidential information PD, file type PD, confidential, NASA government's a confidential information. So we will see with this PDF. Everywhere you can see we are getting only PDF. This document is confidential. Like this, you will get some confidential things, or not only these confidential things. Sometimes if you want, you can retrieve the books also, like ethical hacking books, social engineering books, whatever books you want, you can retrieve without buying from Amazon or Flipkart. So this is the Google Docs we are having. And one more thing, in this Google hacking database, we have a lot of Google Docs are there. So you can use any one of the thing according to your requirement. Here just search. Suppose if you want PDF pages, okay, just type PDF. So here you will get some Google Docs like Google site googledrive.com PDF, sitecom RFP file type PDF. You're only get the PDF files. IP HD cameras. Like this, you will get only PDF files. So this one is not working. Okay. So site drive.google.com. So first here search for in title ethical hacking file type dot PDF. So if you search like this, so you only get only the PDF files like so MCA ethical hacking. So which is having in title. So we already discussed this in title. So what is this in title? So this will help, it will return only pages that have the term ethical hacking. So if any page having the ethical hacking name, it will result, it will, you may get the result. So everything you are getting here, the PDFs only. So ethical hacking, this is the PDF, MC ethical hacking tutorials PDF you are getting. So like this, you can apply any book, whatever you want, you can apply the book name, and here you can gather the information. You can download without buying the books. So that's the reason, like I have a lot of books with by applying these Google Docs. I think I have a lot of books. A second, I'll show you those books I have retrieved from the online by just applying this Google Docs. So these are the books I have got from this Google Docs. So by just applying the Google Docs only, I've got all these things. And not only these books, I have some other books also there. And, and here you can see. So here is some another books also there. So these books also I some psychological books. So these books also I didn't buy any one of the books. So I just simply applied some Google Docs and I have downloaded everything. So like this, you can just applying the Google Docs, you can save a lot of money. Not saving a lot of money, you can earn money by applying the Google Docs also. I'll show you the one of the report. So that one person has found some sensitive information in a website that leads to him got up $400 in 5 minutes. So here you can see, so just in within 5 minutes, he got a $400 just applying the Google Docs. So he selected one target from bug bounty platform, and he applied some Google Docs to find some sensitive information. So here he found some sensitive information that is having the certificates. So he just simply copied from the GHTP and here uploaded that one. And finally, he got some confidential information like certificates he got. And then he reported that, so your website is posting this type of certificates in the internet. So please be sure to remove all the things. Then for this report, he got a nearly $400. So same thing he have applied from another one also. Then he got another $400. So by just applying the Google Docs, you can retrieve all the things. Is it clear for everyone? So you can retrieve the username passwords also with this Google form. So with this Google hacking database, you can retrieve the username passwords of a specified file. You can retrieve the CC cameras. You can retrieve the Vivo IP login pages. Suppose if you want only the login pages, what is the thing you have to use? In URL admin login. If you want only login pages, you can use the in URL login. If you want only sign up pages, you can use in URL for everything. In URL, I'm applying just a sign up. That's it. So I'll get every page sign up only, sign up or login, register, sign up, register, sign up, sign up. Everywhere I'm getting the sign up. So that hacker, what hacker will do, it is the easiest form to make some particular things. Like if he got the admin login page, so what he will do, he will perform the brute force attack on the login page and he will get access into that particular system. Is it clear for everyone? So how to apply these Google Docs? So with these Google Docs, it's a very helpful for us. So for being a penetration tester, ethical hacker is also known as a penetration tester. If you want to become a good penetration tester, you should be an expert in the Google Docking. You have to apply Google Doc. So for everything, reconnaissance is the basics, which means information gathering is the basics. You have to gather as much as possible information about your target. So here you can see files containing the usernames, files containing the juicy information. If you click on this one, you will get some Google Docs that containing the usernames. So header for logs at time, exit logs, start index of usernames. So like this, you will get some sensitive information. Is it clear for everyone? Yes. Anyone have any doubts? Yes. Anyone have any doubts? Just let me know if you have any doubts. Okay. If it is no, I'll sharing this link to you. Just make a note of it and practice all these things. Once if you practice and then let me know, I'll give you one work to you. You have to find something for me using by just applying the Google Docs. First, just practice all these Google Docs. And remember that one after Google Doc, like whatever it is in URL, in title, you have to give some space. One space you have to give. Like show you. Suppose here, if you see here, related is there. After colon, you have to give some space. So without space, you won't get the exact thing. If you are not getting after the space, just remove the space. So you have to do it. So you have to take the decision on that time. So if you are not getting anything, remove the space. If you are not getting after removing the space, add the space. Like this, you have to perform. So just perform all these things and let me know once if you have completed that one. Then I will give you the work to you to find some sensitive information using the Google Docs. Is it clear for everyone? Yes. Do you guys are do this one? Hello.
Yes, please.
Yes. So do it now and let me know. So how much time you require for this one? For completing, for practicing all these things? Yes. Am I audible? Okay, I'm giving you exactly 10 minutes of time. At 12:40, I'll give you the work to you. So before 12:40, you have to execute all the queries and go to this GHDB also and let me know if you have any doubts. You can just unmute yourself and you can directly talk to me. So go to this Google hacking database. Don't go with the exploit DB. So this exploit DB we will discuss in upcoming sessions. This exploit DB having some CV values, how to exploit. So some code will be there. So okay. So don't go with this exploit. Only search in the GHDB. Yeah, is it completed? Does anyone have any doubts in this Google Docs? Yes, Ish. Is it completed? Okay. So now note down the work what you have to do. So you have to find some sensitive information like Aadhaar cards and PAN cards, whether whatever it is, Aadhaar cards or PAN cards, whatever you wish, you can find it. And one more thing, you have to find some confidential information like username, passwords, just applying the Google Docs. It is possible. Some organizations is keeping their username passwords in some file extensions. So you have to use some specific Google Doc for that one and find the sensitive information of username passwords. And one more thing, Aadhaar cards and PAN cards, whatever it is. So only one thing you will get, Aadhaar card and PAN card. So you have to use a single Google Doc for that one. You will get the both details in a single that one. Got it? Yes. Does anyone have any doubts in this work? Yes, guys, I need your response. Is it clear for
No
you?
doubt, sir.
Okay, can you upload today's assignment in WhatsApp group? Today's assignment. Yeah, okay, sure. As of now, there is no assignment. You just need to work out on this Google hacking database. Just need to find some sensitive information, confidential files. So about some select one target and use some sensitive information. Get some sensitive information. As of now, find the username, passwords. A file will be there. So I don't mention that file extension also. You only have to find the file extension and find the username passwords in that file. And one more thing, get the Aadhaar cards and PAN cards. That is your task now. It's not an assignment. That is your current task. You have to complete it before the session ends. Do it now and let me know if you got anything. Just let me know and show it to me. You can share your screen and you can show it to me. Got it? Why you guys are not responding? Huh? Yeah, Yash, why you asking to share this one in the WhatsApp? Are you there in the class? So guys, if you anyone got any Aadhaar card, PAN cards or such sensitive information, just let me know. Please unmute yourself and you can talk to me. Yeah, Dhanraj. So you have to find some sensitive information. See, every colleges or organizations saving their username passwords, but some websites what they are doing, they are saving these username passwords in the website itself only. So you have to find some sensitive information, username passwords you have to find. So for that you have to use some specific file extension. If you use that one, you will get some sensitive information. And one more thing, you have to find the publicly available Aadhaar cards and PAN cards. So if you both things show it to me, then I will show you how to access the Wi-Fi cameras. So some cameras are publicly available. Like, see, they won't set any password for that one. Even they set the password, their IP address will be visible in the public. So you can access the IP, this type of CC cameras. So sometimes you will get the road CC cameras. Sometimes you will get the home CC cameras. Sometimes you will get some hall CC cameras, kitchen CC cameras, work area CC cameras. So I'll show you how to do that one. And one more thing, remember, so just this is for only the education purpose. So don't misuse all these things, okay? So not for shouldn't for CCTV, same Google Docs for CCTV also, not shouldn't. So I'll tell you the CC cameras and all. Just now perform the find some sensitive information, username, passwords, and PAN card and Aadhaar cards. You can share your screen. Yes, I find that Aadhaar card information. Yes, that's good. Yeah, if you can share your screen. Mandir, are you there? Please give that access for sharing the screen. That is good, Ish. So I'm stopping the screen sharing. You can share your screen. Okay, well done. So you got the Aadhaar cards. That is fine. So like this, you can retrieve the sensitive information using just applying the Google Docs. So what Google Doc you have applied? Yes, index of Aadhaar card. So you can use the same thing for the PAN card also. You can add PAN card, index of PAN card. So you will get the PAN cards. So open the first one. So here you can see the PAN cards of different persons. Is it clear for everyone? So how to gather the information using Google Docs? Sensitive information. These are the some sensitive information. If hacker knows any of these things, what he will do? He will make a fake Aadhaar cards using these numbers. He will make a fake PAN cards using this PAN numbers. So these are the some confidential information which does not there in this websites, but is openly available due to some applications malfunctions. Got it? So you can use passport. You can try the passports, index of passports. You can try. So sometimes you will get the passports also. So if you are not getting, okay, it's I think it's not there. Okay. So like this, you can apply the Google Docs. You can find some result. See passport files. I think the passports also is there. Okay. Is it clear for everyone? Or anyone have any doubts? Yeah, yes, well done. So go with the next one, that is a find some username passwords. Username passwords. You have for the username passwords, you have to use some different thing, not the index of usernames and all. So in the Google Docs, we have some particular thing is there for that one. But here in the Google Doc, you have to apply for a file extension. File extension you have to apply. See, don't search for here. Don't search here. Close this one. Close it. If you scroll up, there is a some search bar, is a quick search. Quick search. Here you can search. So there you will get whatever you wish. Okay. So you are somewhat, but you have to mention the file type also. What is the file type you want? So no need to mention all the file type. Just mention the extension. Dot extension is enough. What is the extension you want actually? Where the username passwords will be saved, which file all the username passwords will be saved, whether it is a Word document or a text document or an Excel sheet, where it will be saved. Try to find it and let me know. Okay, no issues. Ish, please stop your screen sharing. I'll show you how to find the username and passwords. Yeah, okay. So now I'll show that one, but you have to take down the assignment. The assignment is to find the sensitive information you have to find. Sorry, not sensitive information, CC cameras. So you have to find some CC cameras like which is having the live streaming. So by applying the Google Docs. As of now, I'm telling the username passwords thing. It is so you have to use the file extension called Excel. So Excel sheet. So where all the username passwords will be saved in this Excel sheet. So the Excel sheet extension is XLS dot Excel SX. So here you can see username Excel SX. Suppose if you type XLS or if you type usernames, so here you will get some list of usernames. Okay, username if you type, so use a local host username plus password. So like this you will get different things will be there. So if you type the passwords, see, you will get here list of passwords dot y.yml. So different things are there. XLS. So here is a username is there. Just apply this one. Copy. Okay, it's not working. So index of usernames is there. Just apply this Google Doc. So read from file usernames.txt. So here we have some usernames are there. So like this you can apply. If you mention the site, so you will get the list of usernames from that particular site. But actually there is a one Excel sheet is there, but now it is not working. No, it's not there. Dot Excel. So we can use this one credentials, web data. So like this, these are the some indexes. So they are using some FTP servers for these indexes. So here you'll get some sensitive information, index of passwords, credentials.txt. So this is the admin, and these are the admin credentials, and this is the operator, and this is the operator credentials. So this is some kind of website passwords. So username passwords like this, you can find the username passwords. Got it, guys? Yes. So here also the software study clone Linux documentation credentials of the, so credentials. So we need to search for each and every directory here. Then only you will get it. That sensitive information. Okay. And make down the assignment here. So assignment is you have to find the live CCTV cameras using the Google Docs. You have to find the live CCTV cameras using the Google Docs and some confidential files. Okay, some confidential files like certificates. Okay, so just use some confidential searches here. So if you search for the confidential, if you're not getting any confidential, secret, secret access key. So like this, some sensitive information will be there. So try to access this sensitive information from the internet. So that is your today work. So you have to find the CCTVs that is confirmed, and this is optional for you. So just practice this Google hacking database. It is very, very important. Is it clear for everyone? Does anyone have any doubts? No? It is clear for everyone? If you have any doubts, you can ask me. Otherwise, we can wind up the session, and don't forget to make the reporting. Okay? So don't forget to make the reporting. Whatever you are doing, just to make a report of it, everything. It will be very useful to you, because whenever you are applying for an organization for an interview, the first question they will ask, so do you have any reports? VPS for bug bounty. VPS you are asking, or VDP program you are asking? Okay. Virtual private server for bug bounty. Okay. Free, like if you got the free thing, like it may have some lagging issues will be there, so you won't get that much of things will be there. So better to take a one premium one, so that will be fine. For the bug bound, it's not required for the these VPNs and VPS. It's not required that much. So you can choose one VDP program and then you can perform. So if you want to bypass and learn some bypassing techniques. So don't use the VPNs, learn some bypassing techniques. Okay. Okay, so cloud server you want. Okay, now I understand. You want a cloud server. I think it's a private, virtual private server. Okay. I understood now. So for the cloud is okay. I'll let you know in the next class. I think there is no free platforms are there. One platform is there, but it's cost around $80. It's a basic one. So $80, $80 to $100 will be there for 1 month. So I'll let you know, is there any free VPS are there. Okay. Yeah, that is fine. Okay, so does anyone have any doubts? So if you don't have any doubts, we will wind up this session. Mandira, are you there?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you guys for the journey.